Samanvita, you need to answer these questions by repeated addition and using multiplication. Okay?
Okay.
So the first one. Answer the first one.
So 4 times 2 equals 8.
Okay, and what about the addition?
4 plus 4 equals 8.
Correct. Second one.
So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9.
Correct.
3 times 3 equals 9.
Correct. Next.
So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8.
Correct.
2 times 4 equals 8.
Very good. Next one.
5 plus 5 equals 10. And 5 times 2 equals 10.
Okay, the third one, last one.
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12.
And the multiplication.
3 times 4 equals 12.
Very good. Thank you, Samanvita.